So what is georeferencing that normally we are doing on scanned topo sheets? So let's assume this is a topo sheet, it is scanned and now a JPG or a TIFF file, and this topo sheet has a latitude and longitude information written on the topo sheet. But so what is georeferencing? You know this topo sheet where it is, but your computer does not know where your study area because your computer does not familiar with it. You are able to read the lat long information which is displayed in a text on a topo sheet, but your computer does not recognize it until it will be a digital. You know your study area, but your computer does not know where is your study area. Computer know the shape of the earth, but it does not know where is your the sheet on the earth. So what is georeferencing? So this is to just provide the digital image location information to the computer, and a file is created with your image by linking your pixel into latitude and longitude, and from this information your computer will be able to read the location information from the image. But whenever you scan a some topo sheet first time, it does not have any information, so it only required to do once for your scanned map or topo sheet. Then your computer add this image to the correct location on the earth. After this you will be able to measure a shape, size and area even on the topo sheet, and even the length of the rivers and the roads. In after georeferencing, your data is capable to perform any analysis and even overlay or almost anything in GIS whichever you think. But satellite images does not require to georeference it. Most of satellite images are already georeferences and geocharactered. So what happened after georeferencing? Your computer already know about Earth, but after georeferencing, your computer know where is your study area on the Earth. So this is all about the georeferencing. So it show where it is on a Earth.